Hey, what's up, beautiful ladies? Natasha here with Miadora. Now, I wanted to show you how I do my eyebrows and give it like a nice feathered look. Super natural looking, lasts all day, and only takes like 2 seconds to do because I'm a super busy mom and I don't have time to be spending hours doing my eyebrows. So if you want to see this, I'll show you. I'm going to be using the On Point eyebrow pencil micro tip. I'm going to be using the medium color, which is Cafe Latte. Cocoa Coffee is the dark one. Cafe Latte is a medium color, and then Hot Caramel is the really light color. I'll just swatch that for you really quick. That one's Hot Caramel. This one's Cafe Latte. I don't like my eyebrows too dark or too light. I like them right in the middle. That's why I love Cafe Latte. And then Cocoa Coffee is if your eyebrows are super dark. There you go. You can see that. Like almost black. Okay, I'm just going to quickly wipe off what I have here with some makeup remover. And I'm just using those reusable makeup pads from Amazon. This one is Hello Boo. I love it because you can just wash it in the washer. Okay, so I'm going to use Cafe Latte. So that's a medium color. I sometimes like using Cocoa Coffee and Cafe Latte together. But if you just have one, this is how you do it. First, always draw on the bottom and then just start feathering it in. Now, the micro tip is good because it gives that natural feathered look. I find the bigger pencils kind of, they don't give it that nice natural hair look. So that's why I like this one. It's also smudge proof and waterproof. I have really, really oily skin. So if you're like in a hot climate, oh my gosh, you want something that's smudge proof for sure. So it looks super natural. Then this is a must, go in with your favorite concealer. I'm using the IT Cosmetics and a brush. And just clean it up in there. Your finger is the best blender, in my opinion. Now, if you wanted, I'm using Cafe Latte still. Oh, this one's Cocoa Coffee. Okay, Cafe Latte. You can go back in and just do a couple more natural hair marks. Just always brush it up. That's what makes it look more natural, like that. If your eyebrows are a bit darker, go with the Cocoa Coffee. Like my eyebrows are almost black, so I actually make my eyebrows lighter color with the Cafe Latte. But if you have some like kind of bald spots, you can always go in there. You want this part of your eyebrow to be darker than the front. This part you don't want dark. This part you want light. This part you want dark, almost like an ombre. So there you go. Voila, that took me like a minute to do. So that's what I do every morning. Lasts all day, even with my oily, greasy skin. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Yeah, it's paraben-free, cruelty-free, smudge-proof, waterproof. That's what I love this stuff. So anyway, hopefully that helps. Let me know. I always post really quick videos because if you're a busy woman like me, I've got 4 kids, so I don't have time to be spending a bunch of time doing beauty, routines. So I try to do things really fast, and then I'm just sharing that with you ladies. So hopefully that helps. Follow me and just message me and let me know if you love this. Okay, bye. Love you.